Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to take this dash spear off for whatever reason you might want to take it off for. You might want to customize this like what I'm doing, or you just want to change it for something else, or you might want to change it because your badge is damaged, or whatever reason you have to take this off. Now some people are actually under the impression that you got to take the whole dash out of the car or get there from behind, but it is much simpler than that. It is actually quite simple to take this off. You can't see any fasteners or anything else there, but I'm going to show you how to take it off. The reason I'm taking mine off because I've made a custom one that will replace that there. And I've made that to match my custom door trim inserts, and I've got another whole video about those. Now all you're going to need is some trim tools. Here's a selection of the various ones that I have. I've actually got more than that, but these are just the ones I picked up. And to avoid any damage to the surrounding dash, I'm also going to use a rag. And to start off with, I'm going to try the widest one because it spreads the load out over a bigger area, so it's less likely to cause damage than using a little pointy one like this that concentrates all the force onto a small area and might damage your dash skin. So what I'm doing, I'm covering this with a rag to avoid damage even further, and then you just find the spot where you can push that in. Oh, there you go. It's even easier than I thought. And you slide that along, and there's actually 3 clips holding this in. There's one there, and one there. It looks like I've released 2 of the clips. There you go. That easy. And I'm saving this one because that's the original one that belongs to the car. And this one here is one I got from the wreckers for $10. And then I recovered it with some material. And now I'm going to insert the new dash trim. So here we are, there's my full custom dash spear, which I much prefer to the standard one. You can do anything you like with this. You can get the original one, you can paint it, you can cover it in something, but this is what I like because it matches the steering wheel. It matches the XR6 steering wheel, and it also matches my new door trim inserts. Now if you've got any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, leave your question down below and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed today's video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.